Welcome all. Today in building services class, we will get to know about the plumbing walls. That is the different types of walls which is used for the plumbing system. So first of all, what is a valve? A valve is a device that regulates, directs or controls the flow of the fluid by opening, closing or partially obstructing the various passageways. There are the different types of valves which is commonly used in the plumbing systems. That is ball valve, gate valve, butterfly valve, diaphragm valve, pressure balanced valve, check valve, zone valve, locking valve and the globe valve. First is about the ball valve. So a ball valve is a form of the quaternion valve which uses a hollow perforated and pivoting ball to control the flow through it. So in open position, the hole in the sphere is in line with the pipe. When it is closed, the hole in the sphere is perpendicular to the pipe. So lever handle operates the valve and also serves as an indicator for whether the valve is open or closed. So ball valves do not allow for the precise flow control as they usually have the positive stops 0 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree, but they do provide a very good seal in the closed positions. Next is about the gate valve. Gate valve is also known as the Suez valve, so that opens by lifting a round or the rectangular gate out of the path of the fluid. So the controls water flow by rising or lowering the gate, which is generally a piece of metal. So wheel or the knob at the top of the gate valve is present that controls the height of the gate. This in turn affects the flow of the water. But unfortunately, the wheel does not provide any indications of whether the valve is open or closed as like that of the ball valve. So and it is not durable also and susceptible to corrosion, which will cause the valve to get stuck in the open or the closed position. So this is an example of the gate valve. Next is about the butterfly valve. So butterfly valve is a one which is used for isolating or regulating the flow. The closing mechanism takes the form of a disc. So operation is similar to that of the ball valve, which allows for the quick shut off also. And it is attached to a lever handle that rotates the disc, which adjusts the flow of the water. Its main drawbacks are control risk is always present within the flow of the water. So there will always be a pressure drop when using them, and butterfly walls are generally favored because they are lower in cost to other walls designed, as well as being lighter in the weight and meaning less support is also required. So this is an example of the butterfly wall which has the lever handle. Next is about the diaphragm wall. So diaphragm wall or the membrane wall consists of the wall body with the two or more ports, a diaphragm and a weir or the saddle or a seat upon which the diaphragm closes the valve. So it is also similar to the gate valve. In diaphragm wall, the element in the diaphragm that settle down over a saddle, so thus stopping water flow. So the diaphragm below is the weir type diaphragm wall where water passes over the weir, and there is also a straight type diaphragm valve which doesn't force water over the weir. So these valves are generally used as the shut off or the stop valves. So this is an example of the first one is an example of the weir type diaphragm valve, and second one is the example of the straight through type diaphragm valve. Next is about the globe valve. So different from ball valve is a type of the valve used for regulating the flow in the pipelines. Consists of the movable disc type element and a stationary ring seat in a generally spherical body. Used to throttle or limit the flow of the water, and also contains a stopper that is raised and lowered by the wheel or the knob on the shaft. So the stopper seals into a baffle to stop the flow. This is an example of the globe valve. It consists of the stem, bonnet, plug and also the body. Next is about the check valve. So check valves is also known as the non-return valves or the one-way valves that normally allows the flow only through one direction. So it is generally not operational. So backflow preventer is a type of the check valve. So ball check valve uses a ball to stop the flow of water in the wrong, moving in the wrong directions, and a diaphragm check valve has a rotating disc or the rubber flap that is pushed to seal the opening in the event of flow in the wrong direction. A stop check valve is operational and allows the user to completely stop all flow, even flow in the correct direction. It will not allow the backward flow when it is open. This is an example of the stop check valve. Next is about the pressure balanced valves, which we mainly commonly used in our bathrooms for the showers or for the bathtubs. That is, water at a nearly constant temperature to shower or the bathtubs. So, despite pressure fluctuations in either the hot or the cold water supply lines, it allows the mixing of the hot and cold waters. So, pressure balanced valves is mainly used in the domestic bathrooms and showers to prevent the accidental claddings. Next one is about the zone valve. It is a specific type of valve used to control the flow of water or stream in a hydronic heating or the cooling system. So it may be provided in the different rooms or floors or dwelling units so that each place can have the local control over the heating or the cooling. Electrically controlled and or connected to a thermostat so that automatic control is achieved. This is an example of the zone valve. Next is about the locking valve. Almost all type of valve can be locked to avoid the accidental or the intentional openings or the closings. So valves with the lever type handles allow for more secure locking controls and provide aligning holes so that lock can be passed to stop rotation of the handle. So locks preventing the adjustments to non-locking valves are also designed.